Top 5 Best Engine Oil Coolers and Kits. Top 1. Hayden Automotive 1260 Heavy Duty Oil Cooler. Applications include transmission, engine, gearbox and hydraulic oils. Top 2. Universal Fit 19-row Oil Cooler Kit with stainless steel braided Teflon hose. Top 3. ACDelco 15,158,525 GM Original Equipment Engine Oil Cooler. Top 4. Derale 15,451 Engine Oil Cooler Kit. Top 5. Dorman 904 225 Oil Cooler Kit. Corrosion resistant for effective protection against the elements.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.